Assalamu alaikum. Welcome students. We are discussing about stack. Stack data structure. What is stack and what are the operations of stack we already discussed. Now we'll see algorithm for push operation. In stack there are mainly six operations are there. That is stack. Stack is one operation to create a new stack. Push is one operation to add a new item. Pop is an operation that is remove the top item from the stack. Like that there are so many items are there. Now we will see push operation. Push operation we are using to add one element into the stack. We already know stack is a data structure in which we can add or remove element always at the same end. The end we call it as the top. Top is an end. Clear? Now we'll see. I will forget to write here push operator. Here I will write the function name. Push. It contains stack, top, size, item. It is an operation. It is a function. It contains stack. Stack here it is one array. Stack is an array in which we are adding the element or we are removing the element. Top is the pointer which represent the top element. It contains the top element. Which top element means which is recently added. That is size is what is the size of the array. Maximum how many elements were added already. Next item. Which item means which element we want to insert or we want to add to the stack. That is item. Here now we'll see how it will work. It will work. First we will check here top is equal to n minus 1. If top is equal to n minus 1. N minus 1 means top means it represents the index value. We can say index value. If top is null, we already know top is equal to null, then the stack is empty. अभी तक कोई एलिमेंट एंटर नहीं किए. If top is equal to max stock, then the element is the stack is full. We already know these things. Clear? We will check here if top is equal to n minus 1. Here max stack is nothing but n minus 1. N minus 1. N is the number of elements. We already know array always start from 0. If there are 10 elements, the last index value is 9. Here n, if n is equal to 10, then n minus 1 is 9. If top value is 9 means the stack is full. Already we entered maximum elements into the stack. Here that will check. If top is equal to n minus 1, then we will display one message stack is full. If stack is full, we cannot add another element into that. Clear? If it is, then it execute this statement come out of from the function. Clear? Here next step, if condition is false, then these are the steps. What are these steps? For example, I will take here one stack. This is one stack 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, like that. These are the elements. Here n value is n is equal to 5. Clear? Here it's checking the condition. Top is, this is the top now. Top contains the top is a pointer which contains the top element, recently added element. This is, we always add the value from the same end. We can add the value from here, we can remove the value from here only. This is top. Top is nothing but 2. Here top is equal to 2. Top is a pointer. Pointer is nothing but the address. It contains the address of this index value. top is equal to 2, it will check. Now here we check the condition. If top is equal to n minus 1, n is 5 minus 1 is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, condition is false, then it will execute, go to the step 2. Here step 2, what happen? When we are inserting the element, first we need to increment the top value. Now top is 2. Now we want to insert the element that is in the position of 3. For that we should increment the value of top. Top की value increment करेंगे. Here top is equal to top plus 1, मतलब top is equal to 3 हो जाएगा. Now we are adding the element into the array. Stack of top is equal to item we are adding. For example, if item is 15, then we are inserting that value here. For that, what we will do, first we increment the top value. I will write another diagram here. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12. This is top. Now top will be incremented. This is top. Here we are entering the value 15. Now we are returning the top value. Here we are returning one element, that is top we are returning here. Clear? This is the push operation. How we are entering the element into the array. It is not that much difficult. How we are array insertion is there. Likewise only we are inserting. Instead of just we are using these variables here, top, stack, size, item. These are the variables we are using here. Clear? How to perform the push up algorithm. This is the algorithm, how it will work. Clear? Now we will go for next operation, that is pop operation. Pop is nothing but removing the element. Now we will see algorithm. Pop operation. Pop is the function. It contains stack. Stack is the array. Next, it should contains the top. Next, item, which we want to remove here. Which element we want to remove? That is the item here. Now, step 1 is step 1. What is the step 1? Same thing. We are checking if top is equal to null. Top is equal to null means the stock is empty. We already know. Null is nothing but it indicates the stock is empty. No elements we are added. We are print the element statement here. Stock is empty. Stock is empty. This is the output. End if statement we are ended here, or exit we are exit here, then end if. Come out of the function. No, if top is not equal to null, then what we will do, first we will take the item. We are copying the element which is on the top. Item is equal to stack of top. We are copying that element into the item. Next, what we will do, we are decrementing the top value. Top is equal to top minus 1. Immediately, when we decrement means immediately the above value will be deleted. Next, step 4, return. This is the algorithm. How it will work, we will see. For example, this is one array. Initially what happened, we will check if we are not entered any element here, that means top is equal to null. We are initializing this top is equal to null. It will check top is equal to null. it will display this. No elements are entered till here. If it is not null means, for example, the elements are there 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the elements. This is the top value. Top is nothing but 3 here. Top is 3. If it will check the condition, top is equal to null. No, top is 3. If condition is false, come to the next step. What happened? We are copying that item here. Item is equal to stack of 3. We are copying that, just copying this value. Then we are changing the top value. Now top is equal to, top minus 1 means 2. Top is equal to 2. This will be changed from here to here. This is the top. Now we are returning the value here. Returning the top value here. Or if you want to display the deleted item, then we can return the item also. This is pop operation, just how to remove the element from the stack. Clear? These are the operations, important operations in stack. Push and pop are the most important operations. You should remember this. In next classes, we will see complete programs. In other classes, we will see. Clear? Now we